Hello learners, this is Priyadarshi Shubhakant and once again I welcome all of you to my sessions on CNC milling machines. As we are going through the different types of programming cycles, previous class we have already discussed regarding the facing cycle, then after that contouring cycle, and today we'll be starting with the pocketing cycle. So without wasting much of the time, let us start today's session on pocketing cycle. So starting with the pocketing program now, as you can see I have taken this profile which I have made it from 4 circles, and such type of similar profile will be cutting in our CNC machine also, and the coordinates I have already calculated. Let us start with the program now, and from the program you can guess how I have calculated the points. So starting with the first one, O0010, that is the program number, then G28, G91, that is the homing in Z axis, then G54 work coordinate system, G80 that is your CAN cycle cancel, then G90 that is your absolute coordinate system, and G40 is your tool nose radius compensation cancel, then G00 X0 Y0 that is the center point. I have called the tool to the particular point. Then next M03 S700 spindle on at 700 rpm, then G00 Z5.0 that is the safety height, then M08 I have to make the coolant on. Then macro programming I will be using has1, that is variable, that is of 0.2 mm, my first depth of cut. So here I have given G01 Z minus has1 at feed rate, how much I have given, 50 mm per minute. Then moving towards next coordinate, G01 linearly I will move it, and here I have to give the tool nose radius compensation to G41. D1 that is the diameter of the tool that we have inputted in the machine tool offset library, and here the value of D1 we have given, that is dia 12. And next X30 Y0 is the first coordinate point in the blue color I have highlighted, you can see that one. Next the feed rate what we have given, that is 560 mm per minute. Next moving towards the coordinate, that is G03, because I have to move the tool in an anti-clockwise manner. So for that purpose what happens, G03 I have used, and X15 Y15 with R15, the first coordinate you can see above the blue color coordinate box, you can see the first coordinate is there. I am moving towards the top right hand side, and similarly again from there another arc is there. So for that purpose I will be taking the coordinate, that is G03 X minus 15 Y15 with radius 15, you can see on your left hand side topmost orange color block with that particular coordinate. Then next again will come down, that is G03 X minus 15 Y15 and R15. So we'll be coming to that portion now, and then next moving towards the other coordinate also you can see G03 X15 Y minus 15 R15, that is similarly for the bottom coordinate I have mentioned, you can see with orange color box, and that coordinate you can get it. And after that G03 X15 Y15 and R15, it will go to the same position where we started, and next again it will return to the X0 Y0 position, and tool nose radius compensation will be cancelled with G40. Then G01 X15 it will be moved, you can see the larger orange color dots I have given, so till that it will move, because in center it may leave some of the material. For that purpose we have given these things. The next G01 X minus 15, again it will come back to the X minus 15, you can see on your extreme right hand side it will be there, then again it will come to the left hand side now. Then next moving towards G01 X0, again it will go, and from there it will move towards Y15, upside it will move on, and again it will come down towards Y minus 15 for removing the material which is left out, because here the cutter we are using that is of dia 12. Then G01 Y0 it will be there. The next variable call will be there, has1 is equal to has1 plus 0.2, that is my incremental depth of cut, and here the logic will be put, that is same, if has1 is less than 2.0 go to 1, that means up to 2 mm it will cut the pocketing, and once the 2 mm is completed it will go to end the program. So now till 2 mm with incremental depth of cut 0.2 it will continue. Then after that G00 Z5.0, safety height it will move on, M05 it will be spindle stop, M09 coolant off will be there, G28 G91 Z0 will be for your homing in Z axis, then G28 G91 X0 Y0 will be for homing in X axis and Y axis, and M30 will be end of your program. So this is the total program we are having for this particular pocketing profile. So now let us input this program in the machine and see how it works. So similar way, first of all go to edit mode and search a new file and input the program in that one. As you can see, the similar way also we have to input the program. the what program I explained you earlier in the previous slides, the same program is being inputted to the CNC machine in edit mode. So once the program is completed, we'll go for checking the graph. You can see over here. Let us check whether the graph is proper or not. So you can see the red color, that means the cutting parameter, it is there. The tool is moving in such a way. And perfectly you can see in which manner we have cut. According to that, it is cutting the profile. So this is the graph, the similar way the program we have done, and as per that you can see the same way the pocket will be cut on a particular job. And here you can see the movement of X, Y, Z, and feed it also you can see it. So let us start with the machine now. So now here we'll go to the auto continuous mode, and we'll press the cycle start button and increase the feed button gradually. And here you can see first time the machine is getting homing. In the program it was mentioned. Then now the cutter is coming towards the center of the job, and here you can see so as per the programming code, whatever we have written, you can see according to that the tool is moving. And as I told, in between some material will be left out. So to clean that one, what we'll do now, we'll move the tool little bit left, right, up and down. You can see now the same thing is been done over here. So this is the way the machine will be cutting the profile. Always use coolant. I had told you earlier also, to increase the life of the tool as well as to get a good surface finish on the job, we should always use the coolant. You can see over here the coolant is used. And once the program is completed, depth up to 2 mm, you can see the Z axis went up, and now the homing in X axis and Y axis is done. And here we have to clean the coolant, and let us see how the profile looks like. Similarly, you can see as in the program we have shown you the similar type of profile it has cut, and that was the programming regarding the pocketing. That was all regarding today's session on pocketing cycle. Hope you liked it and you came to know about how to do the different types of pocket with different drawings by using a CNC milling machines. For today this much. In upcoming classes we'll be starting with the drilling cycle. That is also one of the most important cycle. Don't miss the session. Till then, have a good time. Thank you all.